Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw cartoons and animal cartoons, like this book called How to Draw Dogs and Cats from Simple Templates. So today, I'd like to show you how to draw a doodle dog, okay? They're so popular and they're cute as heck. So let's start with a face. Bring it up high like this on the page so you have room for the body. Can't believe how many people do this, and I used to do this. You start drawing and you have no room left. So before you draw, just place it the right way. So here is kind of a round box for his face. Here is center line. The eye line is low because he's got that big snout coming out. You can't put a huge snout on top. We'll start with a bridge of the nose like this. A little gumdrop nose this way. Small right in the center. And now let's have, a couple of expressive eyes. Before we go any further, let's put that in. And we sketch everything so we could change it if it's not right. Like this one, I think is a little too big. I want them both to be the same size. Making sure that happens. That's pretty close. Now let's also, before we continue, let's sketch out the shape. So we're going to sketch this going in at the eye and out this way, so we make a cheek area, which is cute. The whole point is to make this guy cute. And we'll narrow that down just a little bit. See how that's coming into shape now? So the beginning shape is really nothing you have to pay too much attention to, because you're going to change it. Okay, let's have the eyeballs in now so we can give them a little expression. I'm going to float them in the middle. He's going to be looking at us. I'm going to ask you a question in a minute, see if you can get the answer. So here are the eyes. I'll darken them in. Those are pretty big. And he's looking at us. Now, can you see something that's going on here with the eyes? That is a subtle thing, but it's a purposeful thing. This is used all the time in animation. Now, what is that? Now, when he looks straight ahead, he's slightly cross-eyed. The eyes are a little bit close together. That helps the look. Okay, let's have a fuzzy quality for the eyebrows. Have the crease for the smile. And also here, a little fuzziness for the smile. You want the quick and dry lines like you would use for other dogs, because he's a doodle dog, and that's the doodle part. A little shading here. Right here, how about we go over with kind of a cute little ear. We go over this part. Yeah, that's good. Just like that. Bring it back to the face. And on the other part, we have the face overlapping the ear. Like that. Have the neck a little bit off center. And I'll erase this part in here, like so, or as close to it as we can. And some real doodly, furry hair. I don't think they have fur, but they have hair like this, and it's fun, a little unkempt. It gives them a kind of energetic look. Now let's open up the mouth just a little. You don't have to attach it to here, just a little. And I'll put in a touch of a tongue, just like that. A little darkness above it to show depth. You can put a little line there. Hey, that's nice. A little shading on the back one. Now we have some depth. We have foreground, we have middle ground, we have background. And people don't always think that you have perspective on a character. You always do. And even on just a face, I'm showing you that you have it. It's an effective tool to use. So you can now put his back in, going at a 45-degree angle. And these are the two little feet coming down, the two arms if you were. They narrow down to little paws. This is just a curved line, which is the thigh. And this comes right around here and it's on the same level. It's got to all hit the ground. Here's a little fun little tail. Another lively thing here. Not just straight and laying on the ground. He's a lively little guy. This is a little line here to show where the tummy is. That would be white if we were filling this out. About a couple of eyelashes. Just very, very small. We'll give him a little bit of a patch. And now let's shade that ground just a little bit, even under the legs here. Make it look like he's really making contact with the surface. Okay, there you go. There is a doodle dog for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed my time trying to show you how to do this. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. I have new videos every Monday. And again, here is the book this was based on, How to Draw Dogs and Cats from Simple Templates. The drawing book for pet lovers, which may be you. Okay, thanks. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.